Have you asked yourself why your eyeliner does turn out different looking on one eye and the other? It's simply because your eyes are asymmetrical. Some of us have more asymmetrical eyes than others, where the difference is more noticeable. And again, it's us who notice it more than anyone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to even out your eyeliner with a few very easy tips and tricks. Hello, I'm Haja. Welcome to my channel. If you're into beauty, makeup, and lifestyle topics, make sure to follow me on my journey by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. I have hooded/downturned eyes that are on top uneven. Hooded eyes are eyes with excess skin on top of the mobile lid. The excess skin is responsible for your winged eyeliner to look crooked and uneven. My hood is located more on the outer edge of my eye, which gives me a downturned eye look. To create an even winged eyeliner in hooded eyes, you have to simply keep your eyes open and look relaxed without raising your brows. Look straight into your mirror with your elbow placed on a desk for more stability. Choose your eyeliner of choice and now apply a dot on top of the excess skin on the outer edge of the eye. The dot determines where I want the sharpest point of my wing to be located end to end. For better guidance, I apply another dot on top of my outer upper lash line. Then I connect the first dot with the second one on my upper lash line, applying a straight stroke. Now I create a triangle while extending my upper lash line below the stroke I have applied. Once the triangle is applied, I fill it in with product. Then I slightly close my eye to see if there is any gap, which I fill in with eyeliner. In some cases, if your wing is more bold and thick or your eyes more hooded on one side, you will see a blank space which disconnects the wing and the eyeliner on the upper lash line. In this case, you have to connect the wing and upper lash line on slightly closed eyes. The results will look more bat-winged shape-like. My winged eyeliner on the right side is more bat-winged shape, which I will show you later. In the next steps, we'll line the rest of the upper lash line with fine strokes. Since we do not have a wide lid space on our open eyes, we need to keep the lines on the upper lash line thin and narrow, because if the upper lash line is lined thick and bold, the hood sitting on top will be more emphasized. Hence, try always to cover not more than half or less of your lid with eyeliner on the upper lash line. Even out the application further by adding a few more strokes or remove any mistakes. I grab a cotton swab to remove any mistakes or excess product on my lashes. Then I curl my lashes using a lash curler and apply 2 coats of mascara to each eye. Alright, now you can observe the unevenness of the winged eyeliner. I used the same eyeliner application technique on both eyes, but since my eyes are naturally asymmetrical, the right-sided eye is more hooded, and that is why my wing looks more edgy and bat-winged shape. So how do we even out the results without the eyeliner to look too bold, because bold winged eyeliners tend to look crooked on open hooded eyes? Tip number 1 would be to use black eyeshadow on top of the wing, because it is the wing that is making the look uneven. Use a precise eyeliner brush and dip it into a little bit of dark eyeshadow. Now go on top of the wing and smudge the application in sweeping motions. Apply eyeshadow until both winged eyeliners look similar to each other. Once applied evenly, switch to a small blending brush and blend further in sweeping motions. Tip number 2 is to use half trimmed or 3/4 length lashes like the one I'm using by Eyeliner London. Because they give the outer part of the eye more volume, they tend to hide the unevenness of the eyeliner further and also lift downturned eyes. Next, use a lash curler to blend in natural and false lashes together. Once curled, you sometimes can see the upper waterline, which creates a gap. Take a black kohl liner and tightline the upper waterline for a thick, gapless lash line. This is how you apply an even winged eyeliner on hooded eyes. Keep in mind, it is normal that the eyeliner doesn't look 100% similar on closed eyes, but they do look similar at least 90% now compared to before. And guess what? No one is going to notice it other than you or unless you point at it. And I think there are more worse things in life than an uneven eyeliner, so I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Comment down what your makeup struggles are so I can create a tutorial based on that. And don't forget to hit the like button if you've enjoyed it so I know what you're looking for. Thank you for tuning in every week. I appreciate your presence, so if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you next weekend. Stay safe.